Now, I guess we're gonna get more into how you feel as a student and what you can pass on to other students. With that, I'll start with the first question about it is, what would you recommend any new student?
Um, yeah, just getting into that rhythm in the beginning is a little bit tricky, especially on a busy schedule. Like sometimes I was even, I was trying to watch the video while I was on my work break, but I noticed that that wasn't really efficient. So it's better to just be at home, have your notes that you could take them online, your notes doc, have have it ready, like be prepared to just focus on that instead of I mean, unless you're just trying to get a little bit more information, then maybe you could watch on the go. But it's better to just be prepared and to also practice HTML, practice CSS, practice JavaScript, code examples. Do as much practicing as you can.
Thank you. That is very meaningful feedback, and I hope the students heard you and they can take that advice to heart. Thank you so much.